Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing some cleaning in the kitchen. It's pretty messy. It's almost dinner time and I haven't done any cleaning today. I have a lot of papers on the island that I need to go through. These are like school papers for my daughter, and I have a lot of stuff on the counters that I just need to clean up. And I do have this kitchen device here that I do want to tell you guys about before we start cleaning. And I've also collaborated with a company called Xylic to share with you guys this 4-blade spiralizer, which is great for slicing your food, especially when you want to spiralize it. So the instructions are very easy to follow along to. You get picture instructions, which is great. It's very easy to assemble this machine as well. It comes with a slide lock at the bottom, and all I am doing is screwing the vegetable holder to the handle. You can raise this vegetable holder and lock it in the back as well. It comes with a suction on the base, so you don't have to worry about it moving all over the counter when you're trying to use it. And you have the handle on the side to lock the suction to the countertop. It makes it very safe to use and very easy as well. And here is where you would change the blade with this dial. You will just turn it to your desired blade depending on how you want your vegetables to be sliced. Now when it is time for you to use the machine, all you have to do is place it on a clean, flat, and stable surface, such as your countertop, of course, and then you will just turn the handle to secure it to the countertop. This makes for a very easy operation. Then you'll just go ahead and select your blade, and then you're just going to go ahead and get your food, and make sure you cut a flat surface on both ends of your food, and then go ahead and place it on that small circular holder on the blade tower and on the spiked holder at the top. And you want to make sure that your food is centered as well. And with one hand on the handle, you want to lightly push the handle forward and then turn it in a clockwise direction, and you're done. All of the food is going to fall into the tray, so it makes for really easy cleanup. And I really like this device. I really do. I never used to care for, kitchen devices and gadgets and all this stuff, but I really like this. I love the different ways that you can slice food. It definitely helps to speed up the process when prepping. So if you want to slice up onions, instead of doing it with hand, you can just put it on here, and you have 4 different ways to slice it. So I really like that. I'm gonna have to try more devices because I'm really enjoying this. But anyways, now as far as cleaning this device, all you have to do is use some soap and water and a brush, because the blades are really sharp. You don't want to use your sponge for that. So you definitely want to use a brush. And the base of the cutter machine should be hand washed and air dried only. The blades and all of the other components are dishwasher safe, and you do want to place them in the cutlery basket in your dishwasher. Now if you want to get your hands on this device, I will have it linked in the description box. I definitely recommend it. I do want to give a big thanks to Xylic for partnering with me on this video, and like I said, I recommend it, guys. So click the link if you want to get your hands on it.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.
Alright, so I decided to go ahead and clean out this drawer because as you can see, it's packed with so many condiments. A lot of this stuff is old and I just need to go through and organize everything. And I also keep batteries in here as well. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and organize it because I just cannot deal with the sight anymore. It's been driving me crazy. And I don't need to go through all of the drawers. This one is the only one that's just a mess. But I do have a video showing you guys how I organize inside of all of my drawers and cabinets. I do believe my system is still the same because I did do that video over a year ago, but I haven't really changed anything up. So if you want to see it, I'll have it linked in the description box.
know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Alright guys, so the room is nice and clean and I just love it. It feels so much better to be in this space and to get ready and start cooking. I don't like to cook in a messy kitchen, so I definitely wanted to clean it up, and I don't plan to make a big mess with dinner anyways, so it'll be a quick clean when I'm done cooking. I really do hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.